www.poppies. Darren, careful!
I wanna party, pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a can, like Jazzy.
Today is the day. Where are we going? We're gonna go to Tortuga Mora. Right, we've got Oscar. Oscar. Oh. Now we're on our way to Tortuga Mora.
We're like professional YouTubers now, you know, we've made 3 videos.
That's it, we've got about 10,000 subscribers. We've got the plaque sat out the back. Our plaque.
The gold one.
Gold, yeah, we've got the gold one. We're nearly on like Jubilee or whatever that is. We've got 15 minutes drive and we'll be there. And we've already experienced about 65,000 flies. Junior's already electrocuted himself with his fly zapper. Oscar's caught one. Smashed me in the leg. So the day's going well. See you on the other side, kids. So there's 2 ways to come to Tortuga Mora. The way that Google Maps sends you, which we always come, and the right way where you go through Calabardina, but it adds on another 15 minutes if you're coming from Alicante. So this, it's not as bad as last time.
Well, that was like a swamp.
Yeah, that was filled. Here was all full with water. I don't know why, because it was a summer. Maybe we just had a storm. That's why, because we went to the beach next door. Yeah, there used to be a big pothole, but it seems to be covered in. Or maybe our camper van's a little bit safer now than the old pilote.
I never remember your name.
Darren.
Darren.
Poppy, Darren.
You remember my name?
Much easier.
Yeah.
From the line. From the line.
No problem.
We parked up. Darren's trying to teach the boys to throw their aeroplanes. They think it's going to end up in the sea. But the wind is coming our way. Junior's already ended up in the tree. Junior's is gone. Oh, it's brilliant. Junior's is gone. So we finally worked out our awning. I mean, I don't know if anyone knows, but I've been really looking forward to having an awning. We finally got our awning up. A little bit windy here, which is lovely because Tortuga Mora is the best place, but we have a lot of flies. But because it's so windy at the minute, there's no flies. So the awning's shaking everywhere. There's this pole sat in the back of the camper van. We didn't know, we knew it was something to do with the awning, but we couldn't work it out. We're putting it here. We're putting the pole here. Nah, it's not doing nothing. We've worked out, and I'm sure most people know, the pole is an extra pole and it goes there and it's on a spring. So now it's completely sturdy. I don't know if everyone else has them. I see a lot of people put in cables and ties down. We put, oh.
It stayed in the air like that.
Oh, I didn't, sorry. I'll catch it now. Look at Oscar's. Yeah, so we worked that out. So now we've got a sturdy awning. This is the main thing for me in life at the minute is my awning. And then tonight I'll show you my awning with my light.
Oh yeah.
And we're allowed the awning out. There's no Karens here. Well, there isn't any Karens yet. We normally piss everyone off, so we'll wait and see. The people in front of us, they're here every year. They come for a few months because that's the picture I want, but I never get it. But I got the next best thing, there to there. I don't think it's too bad. So we shall see what the day brings.
Would you like to be on the camera? Make breakfast.
Oh, I love breakfast. I love bacon, lettuce and tomatoes.
Or tomato, because we've got loads of American subscribers.
Oh yeah, and lots of Spanish. In Spanish we say tomate.
Tomate,
Lechuga.
tomato, and what? Tomato.
Tomato.
Drop it in a comment if you can.
Yeah.
You say tomato. They can't, can they? Can't leave a voice message. Right, come on then, kids.
Well, let me have my number then.
What number?
My phone number, so everyone can ring me, all them subscribers.
0181
0800 123 123 / Oh no, let me tell you my website. www.
Oh god, here we go.
www.poppies / I'm not expensive /
No fans.
only fans. It's not, it's real. Google me.
Google me.
Stop playing with them, Riot. And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a Ken. Like Jazzy, Stacy, Nikki.
Joy, have all your 4 sandwiches. Pig. Absolute pig.
Like Jazzy, Stacy, Nikki. All of the Barbies is pretty. All of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag.
Waiting for his beers. Can't even see him. Waiting. Cheers. Here's to marriage and happiness. One day I'll be engaged. Ah, fuck you.
You still in doubt. And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a Ken. Like Jazzy.
Gotta rate that dinner. Gotta rate it a 10 out of 10. I'm gonna ask the chef if he can give us a word. Perdona, ¿has cocinado tú las hamburguesas? Sí. Tengo un canal en YouTube. Estaban buenísimas. Las hamburguesas. Esa es la
Esto es responsabilidad del equipo, que somos unos cuantos, claro. Entonces, cada uno hace su parte.
Pero ¿quién ha hecho el pescado? Ahí han hecho el pescado.
Ha hecho mi compañero.
Y es que yo tengo la autocaravana ahí y veo todos los días, veo la comida haciéndose ahí.
Fantástico. Seguimos con las hamburguesas. Pero, lógicamente, se puede hacer cualquier día, que la variedad es mucho más amplia. Y del mismo modo, su canal, por ejemplo, aquí yo tengo 4 burgers en el fuego. En el fuego está.
Estaban buenísimas. 10. ¿De dónde vienes?
Yo nací en República Checa, pero
Ah.
en Cabo de Gata, en Almería.
Ah, muy bien. Yo vengo todos los años aquí. Pero las hamburguesas, 10. Gracias. Gracias.
Stacy, Nikki. All of the Barbies is pretty. All of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag.
No, stop, because I'm... Welcome. Sorry, caravan. I was thinking this funny.
Why do you keep saying my?
Oh,
that.
shut the door.
Yeah, we just
Shut the
carry
door.
on.
Welcome to Darren's camper van. He was lucky to get this. Lucky. It was just pure luck. Come in, have a look.
Right, come on. So I'm gonna
Let's take you to where all the magic happens. Follow me.
Oh my god!
Let's show you how we made these things.
Stop playing with them, Riot. And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a Ken. Like Jazzy, Stacy, Nikki. All of the Barbies is pretty. All of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag. Rad, but he spent me when I get bad. I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive. I'm in New York, Madison Ave. I'm a Barbie girl. Pink Barbie dream house. The way can be king. Got me yelling out like the scream house.
Oh, I just want to know, are we having fish and chips for dinner or not?
I'll do chips.
Wonderful, so I've got the potatoes.
You do the chips, we gotta catch the fish. We got the short end of the stick.
What's he done, I see? He's done us a little line. Soap on the end of it. Some weights. Fish and chips for dinner, kids. Got an awning. Big awning. Anyway, like I said, like, subscribe, comment.
He wanna play in a playhouse.
That's it.
They gon' say now. I'm watching these bitches, I'm rubbing a stain out. Like I'm ready to bend. All the fake Barbies just wanna pretend. Like, don't let me go find me a pen. Look where it led. Now I'ma put it to bed. She a Barbie bitch with her Barbie click. I keep dragging her so she bald a bit. And I see the bread, I want all of it. And I want the green, so I all of it. And I throw it back so he losing it. And I give the box with no shoes in it. Yeah, I know the trick, so I got him brick. Yeah, they know who it, me and Barbie, bitch. And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a Ken. Like Jazzy, Stacy, Nikki. All of the Barbies is pretty. All of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag.